Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. You know me in that shirt. This shirt, I am making another video the same day, same setup, same everything. Making another video, another day. So if you guys were wondering, I didn't really explain. So in the last video, my outro, when I said B-Way out, my last name is Broadway, and we abbreviate it like B-Way. So I've been saying like B-Way out, just to let you all know. I know you guys probably didn't say nothing about it, just like be, but I had to address it a little bit because you guys maybe have some questions about that. But anyway, so I was scrolling again through the Roblox page to go get another video. For another video, and I found this game called Noob Train. I thought it was interesting. I don't know what it is. Is it cool? Is it bad? If it's a decent game, then we will maybe switch it up a little bit. But yeah, so we will be playing Noob Train, and I'm kind of excited. It's made by Pandoozle, so go check out the game, Noob Train, and so we will get right into this video. Before we start, give this video a big thumbs up and like. Subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you know when I will be uploading another video, maybe in the same shirt, so y'all know that I'm making another video on the same day. Actually, it's like nighttime. Let me show you guys. I'm making it at nighttime. I don't know why I make my videos at nighttime. It's really weird. My lights are on. It's 9:50. Sorry if I'm quiet. If I've been quiet in the past few videos, it's just that my little brother Grayson, he's trying to sleep. I don't want to be too loud. And it's nighttime. It's back. It's like 11. So it's a little bit late. I don't know. It's a little bit late. So we're making another video. Oh, I already addressed stuff. But anyway, let's get right into the video. If you know me, you know I'm getting my setup. Alrighty. So let's join the game. Go check out the game Noob Train, made by Pandoozle. Pandoozle. Okay, Noob Train. Let's press play. Alright. Okay, it says welcome. This game is a system where you can spawn a certain amount of noob, have an ability to customize them into train. Okay. Alright, this is my character. You guys know me. I'm not a big fan of the girls' clothing. Okay, so what noobs? I guess you can type in how many noobs. So let's give the walk speed, I guess. Let's give it to 1,000. Yeah. Jump power. How about we do 10,000? Noobs. Let's see how many noobs we can spawn. Let's just try out like 100 for now. Okay. Whoa, I'm walking super fast. Okay, maybe walk speed a little bit down. Let's go 500. Yeah, that's better. Spawn. I still want to see how the mechanics of this game. Okay, let's just turn the walk speed down to like 100. I still want to walk fast. Yeah, this is... Okay, I don't know really what's happening. So we're going to spawn in another 100 noobs and... Oh, so they spawn. And then, when I move, they follow. Okay. So say I'm moving and then I jump. Are they going to jump? Oh, they jump. But I need my jump power way down. You know what? Let's just do 100. Let's just do 100 jump power. Yeah, that's pretty good. Alrighty, so let's get our thing. So let's go. So now that we know how the mechanic, how the game works. Okay, so let's start moving around. Let's look backwards. Okay. Let's start moving. So I jump. Whoa! It's like the whoa. I mean, not the. It's like the wave thing. Like if you go to a basketball game, you'll be able to see like the wave thing, kinda. Yeah, so like let's start jumping a little bit. It's actually a pretty cool game. Yeah, I can't really do much. Well, check out this stuff over here. So let's head back over to like where we spawned out, kind of. If I just end up somewhere random, yeah. I think I kind of lost a little bit. I think it's over here. Like there's this big thing in the air, so I'm guessing that may be where it's at. So, this is a pretty big map, though. It's pretty decent size. What the frick is up there? That's a player. Alright, there. So I'm lost. Alrighty, let's just spawn. Let's just check out some of the stuff up here. Okay. Okay, well anyway, so let's see what we can do. So character size. Whoa, wait a minute. We could cut the height. Oh, why not? How about we be fat too? Our head. Nah, that's fine. Oh, it only worked for 15 Robux. I don't know if I want to be spending my Robux. Yeah, I don't know if I want to be spending. I mean, you guys maybe can. Come on, man. You guys spend like your Robux. Chat from your noobs. Anybody in the Roblox universe. Able. Play user. My username is Beware the Great. If you guys want to friend me, I might friend my friend. I might accept it. I don't know. Beware the Great. Sometimes I won't because. Yeah. Okay, so we got that. Trails. I don't know if I want a trail, so. Whoa, what the frick? They're naked? Why are versions of me naked? What the frick? They're naked, though. I understand the versions of me, but they're naked. I don't want my guys naked. If I would have known they'd be naked. Ugh. Yeah. I mean, there's not too much to this game. I mean, I thought there would be a little bit more to it. It's kind of a little bit boring, but I mean, yeah. I mean, we checked out the game. It seems pretty cool. Pretty cool game. Big head. It's called Noob. You guys interested into the video? I mean, if you guys interested in the game, definitely go check it out. It's called Noob on Roblox. So yeah. I mean, I guess we can end the video here. I mean, it's gonna be a short one, but still. Yeah. I mean, I'm gonna be uploading again. Yeah. I mean, I might upload this video not the same day because I've uploaded a couple videos today. Well, tonight technically. I've uploaded like three videos. So yeah, I think we're good on uploading videos. So yeah. But anyway, I guess we will end the video. So let's leave the game. Okay. Alrighty. Oh yeah, it's a cool game. Well, anyway, if you guys like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Help support the channel. Please subscribe. Give this video a huge like, thumbs up, and turn those post notifications on so you know when I upload another video. Stay tuned for this shirt. If you see me in this shirt, you know I'm making another video in the same night. Yeah, I've been up here making videos for like an hour already, and it's still been really fun. I will love to make more videos, but if you see me in this shirt, y'all know I'm making another video. So yeah, so stay tuned, and I will see y'all in the next video. Remember, subscribe, turn on the post notifications. Turn on post notifications. No, I want to do a challenge. What I need you guys to do, can you guys subscribe to the channel in 5 seconds, okay? 5 seconds. All right, here we go. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2. Stupid. All right, we're going to do this again. Okay. Can you guys subscribe to the channel in 5 seconds? All right, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2. I can't do it. One more time. One last time. Okay. Can you guys subscribe to the channel in 5 seconds? All right, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. If you guys can do that in 5 seconds, you guys are OG. And we got more challenges. Can you guys like the video? Can you guys like the video? And turn on your post notifications. In 5 seconds. We're gonna try this. We're gonna try this. Alright, ready? And 5, 4. I'm horrible. Okay, but can you guys do this in 5 seconds? Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I am horrible. Can you guys do this in 5 seconds? Alright, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you guys did it, you guys are an OG. Subscribe to the channel. You guys are the best people ever. But anyway, I will see y'all in the next video. And remember, stay tuned for this show. If y'all see me in this show, y'all know I'm making another video the same day. Yeah, subscribe, turn on post notifications, stay safe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Beware out. Peace out, y'all.